General Boy coming to you live from Stats. We're now reporting that the Dean is locking up the party. I repeat, the Dean is locking up the book party. She is a crosses.
Tell her to go on what?
Suck her mother.
Blood clot.
Run there.
Music.
Oh.
The Rabble Rabble Show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it.
Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabble Rabbles, Rabblings with there, you know. I'm there with the bad pitney, Leah from the entertainment feed. Oh God.
No, why I come bad pitney? I'm just here, Rabble, I'm just here.
Yeah, but don't say you're a good girl, but you know, just have a trouble here. You see it? Straight traveling, so I go on.
Not much.
You're
just
good?
there. Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
Which is right. You know, hear the incident was going on over there with the teacher.
I heard it on the bus coming over. They play that thing like a broken record.
On the bus?
On the JUTC bus, big argument bus out on the bus. Talk about say the pitney provoked the woman for do that. And you hear the next side of the bus, and the woman she's supposed to know better because she get training on her 4 years of degree. She's supposed to know better. This and that, you can't tell me that boy the pitney. This and that, and the woman, this and the drunkard. Like what?
On the bus.
On the bus.
So you know, says a big discussion are going right
Yes.
now if she for lose her job or she for keep her job. General Rabblings.
Is 50-50 because I'm looking at it at the child's view and at her view. When we see it could be, it's like normally, for instance, if when it comes on to the child now, I'm thinking that this teacher is either she normally talks to them that way, so
Yeah.
he might tell him parents at home and they don't believe. You know, so that happens.
Sure.
So I think he's just getting information or proof to say, see what I'm talking about, this is what she's doing. Or for instance, he could be provoking her on purpose.
Because you know, say bad pitney devil.
Yes, and they can push somebody to that point. But different from that though, on the teacher's side, no, I'm thinking you go to school for 4 years. I'm not saying that a child should just disrespect you because you're a teacher or whatever. You're an adult, you're older than them. Them supposed to know that. Them supposed to know that from them yard. Say you're not supposed to just go out and disrespect anybody that.
But them say, I'm not even house alone, you know. Discipline also taught at school.
Yes,
that's one of the places them where.
Yes, it is.
Because them say spend most of your days at school, right?
Yes, at home.
Alright then.
But
so some of the time parents don't know what them pitney are going with. If me do something wrong at school and go home and tell mommy, me I go give her the right. Me not go tell her me do the wrong.
Yeah.
True or lie?
Very true.
Me not go say yo the teacher do this and
forget beaten.
Alright then, cause we are all pitney before we turn adults, don't it? And we know how we can be as you have good pitney, you have bad pitney. You see it? Some people like in a higher society like uptown maybe not go know like the lifestyle of what go on downtown and the downtown maybe not go know the lifestyle of uptown. But when it comes to school pitney, that may I say now when it comes school now everybody mix cause it's a place of socializing for pitney.
So the uptown pitney them though even worse than the downtown pitney them. Sometimes the downtown pitney them have more manners than the uptown pitney them because them act too privileged and too like mommy buy me this and this is that and my father own this and whatever, so you can't talk to me like that.
And them tend to grow spoiled, that
very spoiled as shit.
Yeah, so them tend to deal with things and approach it a different way.
Yeah, than the other kids.
But right now, Rabblings want to comment in the comment section below and make you know if you feel the teacher should lose her job or keep it. Straight Rabblings.
Still feel 50-50 on that because when it comes down to the teacher now, yeah, she could have been pushed to that point and then next minute and
but people have bad day.
Yes.
Suppose are bad day.
This is the thing, you know, no matter if you have bad day, you're a teacher. Them teach psychology, you know, in our teaching, you know. Even me with the fashion, they teach psychology in a teaching degree, and they teach them how to talk to students and how to deal with students in such manner where them not come off as being ghetto or vulgar.
Okay.
They teach them. So she should have never reached to that point to where her training, where she get her 4-year degree gone to shit. Because that's what it looks like. And also there's another video with, like, for instance, the parents went to the school, and it's like they went to speak to the principal, and the principal was like, I already spoke to them already, I don't want to deal with this right now. And you see the way how she was acting. I'm not saying that she's not supposed to defend her workers or anything like that, but if a parent comes to you on the topic of her child and the teacher, you're supposed to give her the time of day. The way other people them feel suspected, them have to call police on the school compound. And she's telling the person, saying that you can't tell me what to do with my staff. I know it's your staff, but still handle the matter in a different way. It no need for it no need for act like that, make it seem like if everybody at that school acts vulgar. But and if she wasn't acting vulgar, she still could have do it now on different lights. She never needed for Guanta, because the way she was shaking up herself and was shouting because the guy that was shot. Yes.
The threat, but people make mistake.
They can't make big mistake that, because first and foremost, the teacher and the child have rights. In other school, the child have more rights than the teachers, because remember, so them, yes, they're younger and anything can happen to them.
You have to protect them.
So they have more rights than the teachers in school. And when you see a teacher attack to your child in such a disrespectful manner and accost them and diminish your character as the mother of that child, you're going to be like, why am I sending my child here? I'm not sending my child to be disrespected by her. But then again, some people don't know where she got you. But then again, you're supposed to know how to separate your personal life from what you're doing with your job.
So
she should have known better, especially the child. May I blame the both of them?
Yeah,
but at this moment, her neck is around one rope right now, so she might be losing her job, because that child will know. Them are gonna depend on the child's side more than the teachers, because the board, I know them are gonna say this is a child. Why y'all go on so? Do it a different way. Bring the pitney guard, the principal, if the child talk to you that way. Something. You don't need fair go on so.
For real.
Because your job that depend on the line, not the pitney guard school, the pitney paying school fee. Like, the child is paying you to get your life, to get your food, to feed yourself. Like, come on.
Straight traveling. So you don't know. Right now, the story that we're about to break, the principal talk and said the teacher are going to keep her job until the board decide for do what they might do.
Oh yeah, and also what they're going to do is, for instance, all parties that are involved is going to write a letter or something of what happened in the moment. So they're just going to analyze it. Everybody in the board, the school board is going to analyze it. But I'm like to myself, you know, kids are very united with themselves first if they do like a teacher. Imagine all them people they go right. Someone said this teacher, everybody write the same thing, she write something different.
She get knocked there, so for real. But I'm gonna make on the ear what the principal officer, rabble, straight rabbling, spray this.
And the opposition People's National Party is renewing its call for the establishment of a timeout facility geared towards the reformation of disruptive students. The call comes on the heels of a recent incident at Pembroke Hall High School in St. Andrew. Here is TVJ's Shamela Pullen.
The call by Deputy Opposition Spokesman on Education Michael Stewart comes against the background of a recent incident at Pembroke Hall High School in which a teacher threatened a student with violence. The Ministry of Education has launched a probe into the matter. According to Mr. Stewart, the incident has brought into sharp focus the high level of indiscipline in the school system. Mr. Stewart says the teacher should have taken a different approach to the issue.
We cannot condone the verbal outburst of a teacher. It would appear that the teacher had reached her frustration level and should have requested assistance from the vice principal and dean of discipline. The situation with Pembroke Hall High School and the teacher in question is not an isolated case, as there are weekly reports of teacher-student confrontation. Many of our young teachers are not trained in anger management and are therefore not able to handle the disrespect, coarse and uncivil behavior of the students in our classrooms.
Mr. Stewart says the time has come for additional measures to be implemented to curb disruptive students.
And therefore call upon the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information to revisit the type of disciplinary measures being applied in our schools, as there are too many students who flout the rules of the schools on a daily basis without consequences. The teachers are crying out for help. The People's National Party notes that several calls have been made for a time-out facility to be established to reform students who disrupt the education system on a daily basis. It is therefore absolutely imperative that the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information moves with alacrity to have this facility put in place at the earliest possible time in order to stem the wave of indiscipline which is impacting the education system.
Education Minister Karl Samuda had hinted at strong action against the teacher. Mr. Samuda had earlier described her behavior as unacceptable and had no place in schools. On Saturday, the Jamaica Teachers Association JT expressed concern about the promise by Mr. Samuda. The JTA called the minister's statements premature. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.
Kind of miss your old brother.
Let me hear what the public thinks.
What's new?